Jenny Simpson revealed that a rare heart condition caused her to collapse during a race. She was diagnosed with a condition called arrhythmogenic right ventricular cardiomyopathy. The condition caused dangerous heart rhythms that eventually stopped her heart. Simpson received CPR and was treated with an automated external defibrillator at the track. Doctors told her that returning to running would be too dangerous. After nearly 2 decades of competing, Simpson has decided to end her running career. She became one of America's most successful women's 1,500-meter runners. Simpson won a world championship in 2011 and an Olympic bronze medal in 2016. She asked people not to feel sorry for her, but to be glad that she survived. Although her running career has ended, Simpson says her story is not over.